In order for you to write Java application, you need to download IDE. So you need an IDE for you to be able to write Java application. And an IDE is simply a text editor with lots of features that helps the developers to develop applications. So the most popular IDE for writing application is called intellij IDEA. So let's go ahead and download intellij in our computer. So click download, and on your top right hand side we have this blue button that is written download. So click on it, and as you can see, we have two types of intellij IDEA, and we have the ultimate and we have the community. Now the ultimate, you need a license for you to be able to download. So as you can see, we have a free trial that lasts for 30 days, but with the community you really don't need to have any license because it's free and it's built on open source. When you're downloading ultimate, an ultimate version is used for creating web and enterprise development. Now, and as you can see, we have it supports Kubernetes. It also supports a database, and as you can see, the community doesn't support any database or any Kubernetes. This one supports JavaScript. You can write HTML, CSS with Ultimate, but in the community one, you just write Java application. You can't write any JavaScript or HTML or CSS or any other application using a different language. We also see that it supports Spring, okay, and yep, so it's not free, so it's 30 days trial. So for this course, let's just download the community one that is free, and when you're using the community one, you can do everything that you want to do with it because it's free, and I have never had any problem using the community one. So again, you have to choose the operating system that you want to write your Java application in. So for me, I'm using the Windows operating system. Download in Windows. So just click on download and give it some few seconds for it to download. Click on save the file, and then it will start downloading. So once the downloading is over, just double click on the IDE, and it will start verifying the installation. So give it some few seconds. Just click on next, and then click on install. So give it some few seconds as the installation is taking place. So once the installation is over, just click on this box over here, tick on it so that you can start running your IDE. Then click on finish. Configure. And there we go. So let's maximize this. So welcome to intellij IDEA. Now before we do anything, let's start by configuring some few stuff. Over here, this is our project, and when you click on customize, you can change the theme, okay, and you can set the theme according to what you like. So I'm just gonna let it stick to Dracula. So that's my theme. Then over here, change the IDE font if I want, okay. Then in the key map, I can also choose what I want to work with. So but for me, I'm just gonna click on Windows. I'm gonna use Windows. But if you click on this drop down, we have Eclipse, NetBeans, Sublime Text, and Visual Studio. But I'm just gonna use Windows, okay. We need to configure some few settings. Then we have configured our key map to Windows. Then over here, what I want us to do is I want us to type font. Then click on font, and I want us to change the size of the font to 40. So I'm setting it to 40 so that you can see exactly what I am typing, you know. So this is good when you're teaching. So click on apply and then click on OK. Then go back to your project. Then inside here, what we want to do is that we want to set our IntelliJ IDEA to work with the JDK Java version that we have just downloaded. So over here, Project SDK, I want you to click on the drop down arrow, and I want you to click on the Add JDK. So just click on Add. No, it's over here. So over here at the drop down, so over here, just click on the drop down arrow. Then this is the path. So I want us to use this JDK 11. So click on it, and that's it. We have been able to download and install our IDE and also configure it to work with Java JDK 11 that we installed earlier on. So see you on the next video.